Hello, in this video, I'll be walking you through the Change Owner Salesforce Lightning action that's powered by Fullcast and allows sales managers to change account ownership from within Salesforce while maintaining the integrity of the territory structure and design that you are creating and managing in Fullcast. We'll start here by looking at an example of a sales manager trying to move this specific account. I'll click on Change Owner, and I get a drop down to try to select the owner. However, what you'll see here is this account is actually not in a territory where I have a coverage assignment, so I don't have permissions to move it. That is a good thing so that you can't go and poach accounts from other territories. So let's look at this again in a scenario where I actually do have permissions to move the account. I click on the Change Owner button. I get prompted to select who I want to move it to or what territory I want to move it to. I select Frank. I decide I don't want to move child accounts, and I set as a named exception. When I click Change Owner, you will see that I get a success banner here, and the owner field in Salesforce is immediately updated to the new owner's name. So let's pop over to Fullcast and see what we see over there. This view here is for the same sales manager. I have a limited scope that I can see in terms of territories. I can see now that this Amazonas Digitals is in LATAM. And if I check on the coverage tab, I'll see that Frank Sinatra is the account executive for this territory. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy between the owner name in Fullcast due to the way that the import-export is a nightly sync. However, you'll see that once that regular scheduled job happens, the import runs, everything is aligned here with Amazonas Digital being under Frank's name and in his territory as well. So if you have more questions about how this works, you can check our documentation at support.fullcast.com or reach out to your customer success manager.